Everybody. So it was roughly 2 years ago I shot a video and uploaded to YouTube of popping popcorn in nothing more than a plastic mixing bowl and a paper plate as the lid. And the results from that, doing it that way, turned out really well, I think. Let's just say the video actually got pretty popular. It had, I think, like within less than a year, it had like 20,000 something views. So I know it was pretty good advice for you guys. So in this video, we're going to actually be popping popcorn in a legit microwave popcorn popper. So this is the Rapid Brands microwave popcorn popper. My dad found this for me for Christmas. He was at CVS one evening and happened to see this. So yeah, at CVS Pharmacy of all places, that's where this came from. So there's a YouTube channel out there called Freaking Reviews, and the guy, he's reviewed quite a few things from Rapid Brands, stuff he purchased off of Amazon, I believe. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this up here. Show you what's inside. So you have this little, I think, silicone lid, and you can actually stick butter in this, I think, according to the directions. So inside you have this glass. I think it's glass. This glass popper. Don't think they even give you any instructions in the box. If they did, I probably lost them, because I'll be honest, I had to actually open this up already just to look inside and see the product. And you can see right there how they demonstrate. They take a slice of butter and put it on top, and I guess when you microwave your popcorn, it also melts that butter, and the butter falls into the popper. It says, yeah, microwave popcorn popper. Make movie theater popcorn in the microwave in minutes. But yeah, a movie theater popcorn. Well, you gotta have movie theater butter for that. I actually do have movie theater topping. You can actually use this as a oil or topping. So theoretically, I could actually dump some of that stuff in here and pop the popcorn inside of that. But I'm not sure if they want you to do that here. So here's the directions on the box. Add kernels to lid's measure line. Pour into popper and add a slice of butter to top. That's optional, really. Microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Enjoy plain or with toppings. So we'll follow the directions there, and we'll see how this goes. So right there is the measure line. So I'll go ahead and put some popcorn in this and go from there. Okay, so I filled this up to roughly the measure line, give or take. So this is the popcorn I use right there. It's this typical yellow popping corn. So we're going to dump this in the popper. And it says to put the lid on top and add a slice of butter, which I'm not going to put any butter in this. Like I said, I'm going to use this topping after I pop the popcorn. And it says in microwave between 2 to 3 minutes. So this microwave will generally pop a 3.5 ounce bag of popcorn in roughly 2 minutes, give or take. I'm going to put this on 2.5 minutes just to see what happens here. And of course, once the popping slows down to a near stop, I'll just stop it early. Alright, let's see how this goes. Okay, I guess it's about done. One thing I can say right away is the it never really the popcorn actually never really got to where it was popping real like hard. It was just kind of, you may have heard how it was popping relatively slow, and that's not exactly typical for this microwave. This is a 1,000-watt microwave, and you can hear that there's definitely some left in there that didn't pop, and there's not a whole lot that did pop. It's just, yeah, you can see how the popcorn actually kind of started to burn. It actually does smell a little burnt. So I'm gonna let you guys draw your own conclusion on this. So go back and look at my previous video, which I'll go ahead and put a link for you to click if you're on a PC or a mobile device. I think it'll work. It's a card. So you should have a card available to access the video where I demonstrated how to pop popcorn in the mixing bowl, the plastic bowl. And it's something you already had in your kitchen. So you're comparing something you already had in the kitchen versus, let's say if you're going to go out and buy this. I mean, I'll say it works. But, excuse me, I got popcorn in my mouth. But, do I say it works good? Not really. Your mileage may vary. But for the fact that it didn't really pop that heavily, it didn't actually, as you heard, it didn't really start to pop hard. It's kind of hard to tell when the popping was done because it was always popping at kind of a slow pace the entire time. Like I say, guys, so it was a gift. It was a gift, so I didn't buy it. Don't know how much it costs, but not sure if it's something I would exactly say go out and buy. Because, I mean, chances are likely you probably have a plastic bowl and you probably already have a paper plate in your kitchen. And those are really the two things you need to pop popcorn in the microwave. If you're popping, let's say, this kind of popcorn versus, the typical. I mean, I guess I can say it worked. It didn't work very well. Alright, so let's dump it into the bowl here. So, not only is it not a lot of popcorn, I mean, I'm expecting a bowl full of popcorn. It's just not a lot of popcorn. Yeah, guys, to be honest, I'm just... not exactly a fan of how that turned out. Matter of fact, I'm going to chunk this. I'm going to chunk this. It don't taste very good. Tastes burnt. Okay, guys, to be fair, I'm going to go ahead and pop some popcorn using my method. Using the plastic bowl and a paper plate to cover it. So I've already placed roughly a half of a cup of unpopped popcorn kernels into this bowl. And you're gonna do it the usual way. Let's see what kind of results we get this time. I will mention the microwave I used to have was 1150 watts. This one's 1000 watt. So just a tad bit less powerful. Stop it right about, let's see, just let it quit on its own. Does 3 minutes. Now I should mention that this method you don't always get it, more or less the kernels don't always pop all the way through. You'll typically have some left over. The thing is, I don't want to risk overheating this bowl. So, this time, the popcorn does not taste burnt at all. Now, as I mentioned, this microwave, it's a 1000 watt microwave. Now, it doesn't tell you that right there, but it is a 1000 watt microwave. The one I used to have, the countertop one I used to have in the old place, it was like 1150 watts, something like that. But it seems like the over-range microwaves only go up to like 1000 watts. So understandably, it took a little bit longer to pop the popcorn. But you can see this time around, we have popcorn that doesn't taste burnt. So theoretically, you could get better results using items you already have in your kitchen versus the results you will get if you went and purchase this product. Now perhaps maybe it would do a little different if I added more popcorn to it. Maybe that's kind of an issue with it. I don't know, but I'm feeling like this thing is, I don't know, it's like it's absorbing too much of the energy from the microwave that it just doesn't, that the popcorn just doesn't really pop very well. So generally what I do in this case when I pop it this way is I get my bowl that I usually enjoying my popcorn in. And I just transfer the popped popcorn to that bowl. That way I separate the unpopped kernels from the popped popcorn. So again, trying to be totally fair on this. I mean, you clearly see now the difference. Got one extra kernel here that flew out. That happens sometimes when I use this method. Sometimes popcorn will escape out of the bowl. So I will admit, doing it this way, sometimes you still end up with some leftover kernels, but I mean, we do have quite a few. But a lot of the stuff did indeed pop, and it's not burnt. So as far as this Rapid Brands popcorn popper, I can't exactly recommend it. I mean, based off my results. So there you have it, guys. That is just a little demonstration trying out this popcorn popper, and as you've seen, it didn't quite work so well for me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.